Good morning, dear parents and dear children. Hope you all are fine and doing well. Let us again think of our moral values lesson. The other day, you have understood the value of creation, value of humankind, and how we must protect and take care of the nature that God has given us. Life is a gift of God. Yes, today let us think about a person or an animal when they are in need, what we are supposed to do, or how can we help others to save them from their danger. All right. In second lesson, that is the title, Benevolence, a deer tries to save a dewey and its child. It is even ready to sacrifice its life in order to give life for the other fellow animals. Are we ready for such a sacrifice, children? Yes. If we are not ready also, let us try our level best to help our neighbors, especially the people who are in need. Now let us listen to the lesson and try to understand. Thank you. Once there was a king named Brahmadatta who ruled over Kashi. The king was very proud of his hunting skills. He used to go to hunting every day and hunt animals for hunting. He used to take with him some of his courtiers and soldiers. If anybody refused, he punished him. His courtiers were not happy to go with him to the forest. So, they decided to avoid going to forest with the king somehow. So they went to the jungle with sticks in their hands. They chased the deer and succeeded in driving them into an enclosed park and left them there. The soldiers went to the king and said, "We have driven all the deer in a park. Now we don't have to go to the jungle to hunt animals." The king was very happy to hear this. The king went to the park and saw the deer grazing. The king saw a beautiful deer with golden skin. He was the king of the deer. His name was Kanchan Agni. The king called Kanchan Agni and said, "Kanchan, you are really very beautiful. I shall never kill you, but I want one deer every day for my food." Then the king returned to the palace. From the next day, one deer was sent to the king's palace every day. One day, it was the turn of a dowee. She had a baby deer. She went to her king Kanchan Agni and said, "Sir, today it is my turn to go to the palace. I have a baby who is fortnight old. If I die, there is nobody to look after the baby, and she will also die." Kanchan Agni listened to her and asked her to go and look after her baby. He said, "I will make some other arrangement." Kanchan Agni realized that he had been sending one deer to the king every day, but he had done nothing for his subjects. He decided to go to the king's palace and planned to save the lives of the dewey and her baby. When Kanchan Agni reached the main gate of the palace, The guard was surprised. He told the king about the very beautiful deer with golden skin at the palace gate. When the king saw Kanchanagni, he said, "Kanchan, why have you come? I have promised I will not kill you. Go and send some other deer." Kanchan said, "Today it's the turn of a Dui. If she gets killed, her baby will also die of hunger. Therefore, I took pity on her and wanted to save the life of the mother and her baby. I thought to sacrifice my life to save them both. Today, please accept me for your food." The king was surprised and thought, "I am committing a sin by killing a deer every day for my food." He said to Kanchanagni, "I am proud of you. Because of you, I realized the sin I was committing." He ordered his soldiers to free all the deer and allow them to return to the forest. Kanchan's sacrifice and kindness changed the cruel king Brahmadatta. Children, do you know who Kanchanagni was? He was Gautam Buddha, who was born as a deer with kindness and love. So, children, always kindness and love for another human fellow or animals will save our own life. Thank you for listening. Have a good day.